I promised you my name. There are so many names. Once upon a time, a prophet forced me to admit the 17 names I used to sow mischief. Say my name. Abiku, Abitu, Amiso. Say my name. Batna, Elo, Ita, Izopo, Kea, Kali. Say my name. Odam, Kokos, Patasa, Patrota, Podo, Satrina, Talto. I did tell you lies. But I am a mother. You face the descendants of some of my children. Every monstrous silhouette that haunts every legend, every myth, every night terror. They all trail umbilically back to between these legs. And I dissolved entire civilizations in the sizzling afterbirth. My body is a temple that outlasted all temples. Gods have worshipped here in blood and semen. Through me, you enter the population of loss. No things were before me, not eternal. Eternal I remain. Can you guess my final name?
John Cena!